At the Oaklands, we have a Hive Thermostat. It is located in the main entrance hall. So as you come through the door, you'll find it on the left-hand side. If you hadn't used one of these before, you'll find when you approach it, it will be off. But what you do is turn it on, you just push this button in the middle, it will illuminate and show you these settings. So you can see here what the actual temperature is of the house, and this is the target temperature. So as you can see, it's warmer than the target temperature, so the heating will be off. To turn on the heating, if you find it's cold, you just turn this dial up and you can see it goes red when it's above the actual temperature. This means the heating is going to come on and it will heat up the house. If you find that the house is too warm for you, just turn this dial counterclockwise and then it will go yellow and then the heating will turn off and the house will start to cool down. If you find that you're running out of hot water, there are some boost buttons on top. So on the left hand side, this is for hot water. And if you did wish to boost the heating, it's on the right side. But the heating is on permanently, so it will be whatever the temperature is on the dial. So if you find that you need to have some more hot water, for example, if someone's used a bath and used up all the hot water, there is a lot of hot water, by the way, in the tank. You just push this button. This will then activate this. So you can see you can boost it for 30 minutes. If you need to boost it for a bit longer, you push this button again, that's 1 hour. You keep pushing through and it'll 1, 2, 3, and it'll keep going up until it says off. If you find that you wish to boost it, you just then push here and then push the green button. And that will then say, here you go, the time and the hot water's being boosted. And that's how to use the Hive Thermostat. Thank you.